Hi guys, Ashish this side. In this video, I'll show you how you can change new pivot table layout to classic layout and set default classic layout as a pivot table layout. Let's open up the Excel file. So this is our data. This is monthly sales. So we have 6 salespersons: Barkha, Debanshi, Dishant, Sahil, Saurabh, Tanesh. We have 3 sales region: East, North, West. We have 3 product categories: clothing, grocery, household. Then we have unit sold, price, and total sales. Now let's create a pivot table. Alt NVT. Let's create a pivot table on new sheet. Then click OK. So currently it's a normal layout. The rationale for doing classic layout, it's very easy to drag the field into this layout and my column will be generated. If I start from this layout, it's very difficult to see. The layout of pivot table dragging into this column is not as compatible to the classic layout. Let's see how we can change this to a classic layout. I'll go to the options, click on options, go to the display. Here you have the option of a classic pivot table layout. Click OK. Click OK. Now if I see that the classic pivot table layout look like this. So let's say we want to add date. I can simply drag the date column in there. Now I want salesperson. So I can take the salesperson and drop it here. Category, I want to drop column fields. Total sales. So that's how simple it is to create in a classic layout. We can also put out the filter, sales region into the filter. Here we can put out the filter as well. East, west, north region. Whichever region we needed, we can click on that. Now let's see how we can set it as a default pivot table layout. Go to the file options, data, edit default layout. Go to the edit default layout. Select the pivot table options. Again go to the display. Click on classic pivot table layout. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now if you create a new pivot table, it will automatically create a default classic layout. I'll press Alt NVT, click OK, and my default layout is a classic layout. That's it for the video. That's how you can enable the classic pivot table layout in the pivot tables and set it as a default layout as well.